today's video, Miss V is going to do a small experiment. Can you tell me what is this? It's round, it's red, it's apple. Now when you cut your apple, you're cutting it open, if you leave it for some time, it tends to become a little brown and it changes its color. In this experiment, we are going to put our apple in different liquids and see how does it react to all the different liquids. Let's have a look. So for this experiment, we need orange juice, lemon juice, plain water, honey water, salt water, and sugar water. I'm going to cut my apple into 6 small slices, and then I'm going to put each slice into different liquid. Let them be in there about 15 to 20 minutes and then take them out on a dry piece of paper and see the change in colors. Children, do try this at home and let me know how the results go.